Google has just made a major move in the world of app creation, and people are hyped up with excitement at their big event. Google Cloud Next, the tech giant revealed something totally new, which was a smart all-in-one tool powered by artificial intelligence that lets anyone make apps from scratch in just a few minutes. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, this tool is called Firebase Studio, and it's already turning heads. What makes Firebase Studio so special is that it uses generative AI to guide users through building custom apps. So whether you're a skilled developer or someone who's never written a line of code, this tool gives you everything you need right in your web browser. Why does this already sound like another niche is about to be overridden by AI? Well, we don't know yet, so stick around to know what's going on. It happens that this platform is cloud-based and runs on Gemini, Google's powerful AI system. It's designed to help you create, test, update, and even keep an eye on both mobile and web apps all in one place. From designing your app's look to handling the behind-the-scenes stuff, like APIs and databases, Firebase Studio does it all, and you know the best part, anyone with a Google account can try it out right now as it's available in preview mode. But because so many people rush to check it out, the platform has been flooded with activity. Even major tech publications like VentureBee haven't had the chance to explore it fully due to the overwhelming number of users trying it at the same time. That alone says a lot about the interest it's generating. Even though many haven't had a hands-on experience just yet, the early response online has been mostly positive and pretty passionate too. One user who made a video tutorial about the new tool was absolutely thrilled. They claimed that this might change the game completely for people who want to build apps quickly with a helping hand from AI. Others joined in saying that it reminded them of a blend of some of the hottest tools out there like Cursor, AI V0, Lovable Bolt Replit, and even Windsurf, all rolled into one powerful package. And the amazing part, again, it's completely free to use. You could really feel the excitement in the way people reacted. Some compared it to a magical toolbox that brings together the best features from other popular platforms. Others were simply amazed that something this useful was finally here and available to everyone in a world where building apps used to take weeks or even months. Google's latest creation is like a breath of fresh air. It's fast, smart, and incredibly easy to use. Firebase Studio might just open the door for countless new creators, from small business owners to students with big ideas to bring their app dreams to life. So whether you're building your first project or your 100th, this tool promises to make the process smoother and way more fun. Having a glimpse of people's compliments about this tool isn't enough, so to have a hands-on experience as well. We need to uncover how to use the tool the right way. To use this tool with the testimonies coming from people about this new tool, you should know by now that Firebase Studio is more than just another app building tool. It's a beautiful mix of some of Google's smartest creations. It brings together two of their powerful tools, GenKit and Project IDX, and blends them with special AI helpers powered by Gemini. This makes the whole experience not just smooth, but also surprisingly familiar, especially since it's built on the well-known Code OSS project. That means anyone who's used similar platforms before will feel right at home. All it takes is a browser and a few minutes to get started. You don't need to download anything complicated. Just open your web browser and you're ready to begin creating. If you already have some code stored somewhere like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or even on your own computer, you can easily bring it into Firebase Studio with just a few clicks. The platform is built to support a wide range of programming languages and tools. So whether you're working with Java, NetNode, Yes, Go, or Python, you're covered. And if you prefer working with modern frameworks like Next.js, React, Angular, Vue, JS, Android, or Flutter, Firebase Studio has your back too. It's designed to welcome developers from all kinds of backgrounds, whether you're working on mobile apps or web projects. One of the coolest things about Firebase Studio is the way it makes designing an app feel fun and easy. There are over 60 ready-made templates you can choose from if you want a head start. But if you want something totally new and personal, there's also a smart assistant that helps you sketch out your dream app just by describing it in plain words. You can even use drawings, screenshots, or images to show your idea, and the platform will understand and help bring it to life. No need to know how to code once your app is ready. You don't need to jump through hoops to launch it with just a tap. You can send it straight to Firebase app, hosting, Cloud Run, or even to your own setup. The fun doesn't stop at launching because Firebase Studio lets you keep a close eye on how your app is doing using the Firebase console. If you need to make changes or add new features, it's as easy as clicking a button. You're taken into a full workspace where you can tweak and grow your app as much as you want. And yes, you can see exactly how everything looks right in your browser before showing it to the world. What makes this platform even more magical is all the built-in support tools it gives you. It helps you run tests, duplicate different scenarios, fix issues in your code, polish it, and even write helpful notes and documentation all inside one comfortable space. Coding made simple with Gemini Code. Assist Google is proudly saying that this new platform makes the process of writing and managing code so much easier than ever before. And that's not just a big promise. The magic behind it all comes from Gemini, their advanced AI helper that seems to do it all. It lends a hand with writing code, adding documentation, finding and fixing errors, handling tricky dependencies, and even setting up and running small tests to make sure everything works perfectly. It also helps you manage Docker containers. What's even more amazing is how flexible this tool is. It lets users shape and grow different parts of their app just the way they want, from how the AI in the app responds to how users interact with it to the actual business rules that make the app work. Everything is customizable. You can even tweak advanced AI features like model reasoning, AI helpers RAG, which is short for a technique that improves how apps find and use information. Google is also offering something really special for people in their developer program. These lucky users are getting a head start with early access to Gemini Code. Assist, a collection of smart AI agents built to take some of the hardest parts of coding off your shoulders. For example, one of these helpers can take your existing code and help you move it to a different system without the usual headaches. Another one is a testing expert that acts like a curious user or a tricky hacker poking around to find weak spots in your app. There's even an agent that makes talking to your code possible. Yes, you can actually communicate with it to write clear, helpful documentation in a natural way. Right now, during this early phase, Firebase Studio is giving regular users access to 3 project workspaces. That's plenty to build, test, and explore. But if you're part of the Google Developer Program, the doors open wider so you get access to as many as 300 workspaces to play with. However, the Gemini Code Assist agents are still on a wait list for now, so you'll have to sign up and be patient if you want to try them out. It's clear that Google is putting a lot of heart into making app creation not only simpler, but also more exciting and fun, by giving developers and even total beginners tools that feel smart, helpful, and kind of magical. They're turning what used to be a stressful process into something joyful. Every click feels like you're building something meaningful, and with Gemini watching your back, it feels like nothing is too hard or out of reach. One amazing thing about Firebase Studio is that it lets many people work on the same app at the same time. Like, it enhances collaborative work. Since everything can be done in a browser, that means that you don't have to wait for someone to finish their part. Everyone can log in using a browser and see changes live as they happen. It's like using Google Docs, but this one is for building apps, according to the Firebase Studio documentation. The platform offers real-time collaboration within its development environment, allowing multiple users to work simultaneously on the same project. This makes working as a team super easy and fast. A developer can write code while a designer changes the layout, and both can see the updates instantly. You can also leave notes, give feedback, or fix things right away. That means you can turn ideas into working apps in just a few minutes. This teamwork feature is perfect for school projects, startup teams, or big companies. It saves time and helps everyone stay on the same page with Firebase Studio building. An app with your team feels fun, fast, and simple if you've made it this far. Let us know what you think in the comment section below for more interesting topics. Make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.